Let's dive into the world of Japanese together. In Japanese, there are two types of verbs, ichidan and godan. Ichidan verbs end with the suffix eru or iru. Let's take, for example, the verb taberu. You simply remove the ru suffix, then add the following new suffix. The negative is tabenai. The polite is tabemasu. The dictionary is taberu. The potential is tabirariru. The volition is tabeyo. Godan verbs commonly end with just the suffix u, but can also end with aru, oru, and even eru or iru. The way to truly know the difference is through immersion. Let's take, for example, nomu. You must simply remove the u, then take it through the 5 vowels in Japanese. The negative is no manai. The polite is no mi mas. The dictionary is no mu. The potential is no meru. The volition is no mo. Stay strong, keep pushing forward, and subscribe to see me in my next video.